Jim, let me see it for a second. Take your face somewhere. I want something. Jimmy!
What? He keeps moving. Not right in the face. Not in the face, Jim.
It's all gone. Is it all okay?
Come here, I'll take it off.
You want me to run down and get him and bring him back? Oh, Mother, I didn't know that was you.
Hi, Mother.
Who's in the
Wrong video. Do something. Be on. Damn, you wasted film.
I know we want to miss you.
You'd be surprised.
Just lack of kid.
No, I did it. Not wasted.
All right, Taylor, send it on.
All right, Karen. The upstairs door? No, that's not locked. That's not locked. Is anybody upstairs?
I'm gonna name this Jamie now. Look for Damien. Hey!
They had a frog on one of the other beds. Hey, want me to turn around your head? Turn around your head like that? Don't flip from it. Really? Yeah, I get another one.
tape or something like that.
$3. They're like spraying on. Jimmy had some. He sprayed it all over our heads and everything. Those cans? way out of the time.
You had a good time, Margaret?
Yes, very nice. Yeah, we had a really good time. The weather's not been great.
You went down to Aresco.
Yeah, we went down there to yeah. I was a little disappointed. I thought it was going to be
What's Ma doing up here? She's not coming to the beach?
but she's playing to put one in. Yeah, we
Just
he put it in himself.
You were joking as it was.
What are you taking, Jack?
Yeah, I got everybody else and I'll go get Jack.
Jim said, well,
That's the best thing. Don't squirt at me, I have a camera in my hand.
You don't want to get a different sound?
Why? I heard you had a few tears in your eyes.
Come on, Bird!
Oh, Salvi, Jimmy!
Yeah, turn around.
No, I just wanted him to stop squirting.
I'm going to grab this camera and you get Ellen and I'm going to take her picture.
Stop it. Everything's back?
Wave, Allison, wave!
Yeah, you did.
Oh, I thought you were...
I never give him it. That's why.
I guess set those up around here, guys.
What's the matter with you?
I heard that.
This chair.
I don't mind.
Oh, slobble.
Jack, what are you doing?
Good, huh?
Why? Yeah, there it is.
Who is it?
Patrick. Say hi.
There it is. There it is.
Hey, Owen.
Where you going? Where you going? Where is this guy going? Where you going?
Where's she going with Pat? Owen, squirt someone.
Hi. Don't film me.
What's your name?
Matthew, I'm too skinny. Don't film me.
Oh, Matthew, shut up. Get away from me, Matthew. You're too close, Matthew. Don't squirt.
Whoa.
Matthew, say hi, Matt. What's your name? Matthew. Matthew what?
Matthew.
Don't squirt it!
I didn't squirt.
And who are you, young lady?
Megan Coughlin and Patrick Barrett.
Hello, Patrick Barrett.
Oh, yeah, I won't.
Megan Coughlin.
Whoa.
Now you're a movie star.
Yes, he's a movie star.
Stop! Why? Did you ask me to?
And Megan, what are you doing now? This is so boring.
Your chin is good.
Right.
I burned a hole right through your shoulder. Aha!
Look at him jumping on the car. This is on tape. Uh-oh, you guys are gonna get in trouble.
You get me in trouble, Carrie, by doing that. Carrie's taping this.
Whose car?
My father.
Uh-oh, Big Jim. What's that?
Hold him up.
All right, we gotta stick up who's shooting me in the back. That's what.
Carrie's getting up. Dad's gonna kill me.
Who's that over there? Oh, it's only the ugly mother. Ma, I just got you on tape. I said I called you an ugly mommy. I said my mom.
Megan, why are you still in Rhode Island? Because we never took them off in Arizona.
We never wanted Arizona, please.
They didn't like Arizona, Ma.
I don't know.
Come on, Matthew. I'm trying to film Pat and Meg.
Look at that.
Daddy! I see Kyle. Brendan, don't shoot the lens!
I ain't got no water.
Ma!
Don't want any water.
Tell Brendan to stop. Hey, Kyle, say something. Who's this? Oh, we don't know these people. Hello. Oh, look at Pat.
What?
Oh, I caught upstairs.
Gonna lock you in the closet.
No. No, no. Whoa, that's on upside down. Ow.
All right, if you'll shut that off, I'll go up those stairs, but I'm not going up with that
All right, it's off. It's off.
If it isn't, you're gonna get...
And Maggie, turn around.
Marley.
He's here. Hey, Dad, did you see him?
Where's he going?
Hey, Susie, say hi.
Were you looking for more times today than in my whole entire life?
This is Tim Coughlin live at the Coughlin's Cottage.
Rode on it a long time.
So tell us, folks,
Oh,
how is it? How are you enjoying
somebody
this day?
destroyed it, I guess.
It's been nice up until this point. Somebody keeps sticking a camera in my face, and I've had it.
Listen, we don't need that kind of attitude. This is fun.
It is fun. I am having
We got
fun.
the shadow. Get the
I
shadow.
intend to have more fun. Now get the camera away.
He's
Back to you, Jim.
Hi, Ma.
Be buried in most agony of defeat. Susan Coughlin just missed her last shot. Could I ask a question, people? What is the score?
13-9.
What is the score here?
13-9.
13-9, and I'm looking at the guy leading here as he shoots. What a shot it was. Let's get a zoom in on that. It's a few feet away from the lens. A few feet away from the ringer. He shoots again, folks. Oh, it was close, folks. It was close. And we're scanning the, and there's a fan. Fan? Hello, fan.
Hello.
Okay, there we go, folks. And Susan Barrett shoots. Comes a little close. We zoom in on that, and we see. And it's almost a ringer, folks. Susan, how do you feel about that shot?
We gotta measure.
Susan, how do you feel about that shot?
I think she's very happy because
Folks, she doesn't seem to want to talk right now. We'll tune in later.
He's right in the middle of the living room with Ryan and them.
And miss, excuse me, who are you, please?
Megan Coughlin?
Megan Coughlin. Where's the zoom and carry away? We're being shot at, folks. We got the culprits on film.
Oh,
Live on the scene. There's jumpers on the roof. Action cam 1, zoom in.
Oh my God.
We got them. They're gonna jump, folks. Who is that? It looks like Samantha from Family Ties.
Samantha from Family Ties.
No, it couldn't be, folks. This is in Hollywood. Back down to ground level. And here comes, here, I don't know, little argument here, folks. The judgment is,
Yeah, I'll go lean yours. Okay.
I think she's cheating.
You get the point.
Thank you.
Husband
and
gives
Susan
wife,
Barrett gets the point.
husband gives wife point.
What's the score?
Begin.
14-13.
I have to get sick.
Eddie Barrett shoots. And it's
No
close.
legs.
Eddie Barrett winds,
No way.
shoots,
Too much.
Ooh,
deep.
Is ready to. Okay, we'll take a and the second one, and Eddie, and just go, reaching for the next one. And let's take a look at those. Well, there's short.
Yeah, you do.
And don't ask who gets the point, because I don't know.
14, Eddie.
And what, can we have the score, please?
15-14.
Who's winning?
Yeah, you're going too far out.
Get out of here.
And he gets a ringer. Oh, okay. Let's go, Susie.
6 points, it's all over.
I can cancel that, dear.
You can't cancel nothing. You'll never get that close.
Ooh, little too far, little too far.
It's all over. It's all she wrote.
What? You weren't 16.
Yes, he
It
was.
was 15. I get 6.
And is the game over?
You get 6?
And Susie looks disappointed.
Jimmy just said it. If the other one's closer, you get the 6 points.
Okay, do we have a
Oh, I
word
know,
from the
it's
winner? Do we have a word from the winner?
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake. It wasn't that easy.
Don't shoot me with the camera. Thank you very much. And who is up there?
You just said don't shoot.
Hey, look at me. Don't ask who that was. I think it might have been Owen. Hey, turn around, young man. Jimmy, is that you? Okay, look at that broken surfboard.
I lost.
Ooh, broken surfboard. Who do we have over here?
Well, we're getting meatballs.
Look at that.
Really? He beat her up?
Yeah, she died of a heart attack 4 days later. But they couldn't hold them responsible for the death. But they got 4
Okay,
years.
and James. Oh, and turn around The woman in blue, turn around. Oh, and here's Megan. Pose us a few more times, shall you? Will you?
Put veal and pork on your meatball?
Very good. And do we have a word from the lovely crowd out here drinking?
Actually, that's a good
Boozing it up. And who's on the steps? It's Timothy and Bobby. And Ian's shooting at the sky. Take a look at what he's shooting at. Don't ask, because I can't see.
You can't see. You're taking the video.
I'm talking about in the sky. And there's Ryan trying to shoot me or Jimmy.
No.
Oh, Uncle Jim, maybe?
Ian, come on.
Hey, Mom, want to give us a face? Hey, Mother, turn around. Wait, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. I think someone's yelling.
You're really starting to get my ass right.
And what's on the menu for tonight?
Oh, hi. Marion here. I'm just swearing at my children.
Yes, we heard. Beautiful Allison on the chair.
My hair is not even done yet.
Who cares? You don't have to be anyway. Tell me if I'm gonna back. And we're getting a few kung fu shots. Come on in. Who's over there? Oh, it's Ian. Oh, God. Allison, that was gross. We're gonna play this back in front of everyone, Allison.
When?
A little while.
Tonight?
Yeah.
You can play it back tonight?
Yeah, I can play it back right now. That's what that thing is downstairs.
Can you touch your tongue to your nose?
What?
Can you touch your
Oh,
tongue?
let's get a close-up of this. Let's get a close-up. Jimmy, get out! Jimmy! Wait, not yet, Allison. Allison, where are you? It looks like we're cooking. Oh, shut up. It looks like chicken. I hope this is good chicken. Chef, please look out. Jimmy, shut up. Up, I see Kyle. Kyle, don't shoot the camera. Susie, could the chef look up here? I guess not. Susie! Hey, Sue. Wave hello.
Get him, Patrick, get him.
Uncle Bob, wave hello.
He's got the
That's
stand.
good. See if anyone good's over there. We got our neighbors on tape. Hello, neighbors.
You're on tape.
Anyone good? No, okay. Pat, I see you.
Okay, got it out.
Hey.
Pat, look up. Wave.
Yes. Where did you get that? The peel wasn't part of it. It came with the little boat. John Marsh. Yeah.
Megan. I'm ready to take his shower.
Yes, folks, first I'm going to use soap because I actually do use soap. We keep it next.
He jumps right in everywhere.
It's nice down the island.
Huh?
When he went in the water, you told him?
Oh, up to his knees with dungarees on and sneakers.
You snake them?
Oh, it's hot.
It was freezing out that day. It was last week. Tickle, tickle. No.
I don't want to do this, Bo.
Pauline? Be careful, don't.
You looking for something this summer?
Oh, I was, but No, I thought I had one just babysitting at the athletic club, you know, for but it fell through. Because I could take him. I can only do something that I can do.
He is with the nose. He is with the nose. Look at him.
Timmy's on with the nose, yeah.
Here it is, like running.
Come right in there.
Just because I wave doesn't mean you linger here. You go on.
The other dummy heard his like.
With my...
Do I look like Jimmy?
It's on.
Down at Cottage last year, she yelled about that.
No, you need to kind of hold.
Oh, I always show up awkward. And the video is always worse.
All right, I'll try it.
Patrick.
And we're zooming in on Patrick. Smile, big guy.
There's a camera.
Say something, Patrick.
Where do the boys go?
Say hi.
Hi.
How come this is all blurry? Did someone drop it?
Just buy them then?
Yeah, I bought him.
Turn it to you.
Oh. Everyone else is blurry. So it's bad.
Me, I think. Smile for the camera!
Didn't they cut off our feet? Huh?
Hey, turn around!
Oh, I thought you were talking about my camera.
Smile!
1, 2, 3,
Smile!
I don't want craziness, okay?
The bubble's falling off.
No, it is.
Hello, guys! Smile! Cool. Hey, smile for the camera! Hi, Dad! Dad, can I ask you a question? What do you like about this country?
Come on, let's hear it for the USA. Oh, then we have somebody in it. Wait till we get the
Let's get it.
Red, white, blue. It says honk if you love a
Hello, Timmy. Hello, Timmy. Hi.
coming along.
Hi, Billy. Love you.
She wants to talk.
Hi,
Zoom,
Hi,
Jimbo.
Steve.
Yo.
I like you short.
Thank you.
Get an action picture.
Don't drop that. Put the thing around the neck, this one, just in case.
All right, look.
Say wireless plastic, you.
Cold?
Oh, there's another.
Dive in. Right in.
Get out of here.
You don't wanna.
Say something, Pat.
Spike it.
Don't throw it. Pat, turn around. Turn around. This? Hey!
Somewhere out there.
Don't you
So did you like Roger Rabbit?
Yeah, it was okay. I wanted a pity.
Commercial? The McDonald's commercial?
Good time,
Dear Roger Rabbit,
I changed the batteries. My camera was broken.
I consider it the highest priced pajama party that I ever helped to finance when Allison and Ryan went down there. They came home and said things like,
Yeah, Howie,
and Ryan said I got bored, so I bought a frisbee and
No
played
answer.
frisbee on the mall.
What do you like about this country?
everything.
Yeah, about this country.
Since the
You.
graduation.
No answer.
I was at the graduation.
What do you like about this country?
The two fathers.
No answer. What do you like about this country?
Well, I like the freedom.
No answer. What do you like about this country, people? What do you like about this country? No answer. No answer. No answer. No answer. Country people. What do you think? What do you like about this country? What do you like about this country?
Mama?
John and I, Chris.
Come on, let's get together. Oh, Pat, be careful. I like that. God bless America, my home, sweet home.
What is this?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Videoing
I didn't see it.
America.
Are we missing a bottle of wine?
I knew
I
Mary
found it.
got but I didn't think she drank it.
Requests.
I mean, I remember
I am the
parties
emperor.
years ago with
You
you.
get a lump on your back. It's the 4th of July.
You just proves you don't have to use long stack of bread, right?
You idiot.
Do a flip, John.
I said the phone in my limo was busted. What is you, ignorant?
I'm going to send the coffee to Jimmy. Anything you want to say?
No, you can't.
What is that supposed to mean?
Why aren't you here?
May I ask what that's supposed to mean?
Thank you.
This is my last will and testament. How does that go?
I don't know.
I'd like to thank you, Jim, for the loan.
Don't go on.
That's all. No comment. Sean Penn. My impersonation of Sean Penn.
Oh, we got the whale watch.
Sure.
Now let's come out of the pool when the sun comes up. It's nice. Get back in there.
No, don't, Tim.
Come on, John, try again.
Dive and take your mark. Dive and take your mark. Set. Set. Dive and take your mark. Send them me. Take your mark. Set. Go. It's dive and take your mark.
That's very appropriate. This
Get
is
their moms up.
Go to Bobby's Cottage.
when he was in the Queens, and they had these things protruding from their backs, and I said, look at that, Owen. I never saw a bee with a stinger coming out of his back. I always thought it was on the bottom end or the front end or whatever. Well, what is the stinger doing? Sticking out the back, and then I'm looking at all the bees in the colony, and I said, none of them have stingers. And this man came over, and I said, why are their stingers sticking out? And Owen, and the man just looked at me and walked away. Owen looked at me and said, Mom, they're pins holding them down.
Is this counting now? Is this counting?
I don't know.
Or are you going to stay there? Oh, if he gets a good hit, it counts. He wrapped it last time.
What about
You threw the bat, you're out. Kyle, what's doing? What's the matter?
Use the silver bat.
That's a metal bat.
Why?
Alright, you gotta play the field without being up there.
Not making sense there. Oh, no, you stand beside it, big guy. There you go.
Get a stand in the dirt.
You ready at second base? Woo!
Just let him hit it. Don't try.
He racked it last time. Batter up. Hey, the camera's over here.
Now we get closer to the plate there.
Smile and say, Mom, number
Not used
one.
to the jetpack on the back.
That's how he does his bases. See? This is the Jetsons. Dun, 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 dun. Woo! His boy Elroy. Woo! Put it in low. He's swinging low. Ooh!
How many strikes was this kid getting?
He's the youngest.
Little late, little late.
We're off the back.
Jim, you're back up first. Good hit.
Okay, now you're out in the field. All right, you're
No, he's not. No, he's not. He's not on the field yet.
Why not?
Because it's only...
It's all right. It's all right.
Now we pretend.
Glenn? Cat.
Right away.
Okay, go back there if you're gonna use the glove. Okay, I don't want
Right over there, big guy.
it. Ready, Jimbo?
Hold your position. Come on, come on, come on.
You can't throw him left. Hey!
His boy Elroy. Coming right at you, Owen.
Don't put it over the fence.
Coming right at you, big guy.
How many outs? Tim, how many outs? One. I'll catch it. One out?
No. One out. No out. No, one out.
No, you're not catching your...
There you go, Prom. We don't have...
Back in, Jim! Yeah, let's pick up the base.
There it is, folks. Sure ball. Right to third. We're going to third. Unless you get it there.
I did.
9?
Third base.
I don't know.
No, leave third open.
I thought it lost the big one. I didn't know it was such a hill there.
Nice.
I turned around and the ball was that. The ball was that. How you been, Margaret?
Very good. It's warm here, that's why the
Nice hit, Joe. Not bad. What do you hold?
It's been sunny all day today.
No, one out, right?
One.
Two?
Right.
Yeah, good. One. One out. Get 2-0.
Yeah.
Fight! Well, it's 3-0, isn't it?
Yeah, 3. I got
We're the invisible man in, all right?
Invisible man count.
Count.
I work 8 hours.
Wine colors.
What?
He lost his suit.
Oh.
And with some of them,
They can't get enough nurses.
Dad, do that again, Dad. Do it again.
They have, I know, they have nurses in Portland.